Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope so you all are good. And today I'm going to talk about the Timetable app which is used at the University of Liverpool. It is not only about the timetable, it will also show you where is your lecture and how to reach there. And you will be needing this app to register your attendance also. So I'll show you everything on this app. And before starting, I would like to say if you haven't booked your accommodation till now, the link is in the description box below for Amber Student. Once you sign up there, Amber Student team will contact you within 1 hour. And I would like to say guys, please don't come to the UK without booking your accommodation, because in September intake, most of the international students come to the UK. So it's better to book your accommodation right now. And now let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, this is the Timetable app which you can download from App Store or Google Play Store, and here is my calendar for my third semester at the University of Liverpool. Although I will not be attending it as I am doing my semester abroad right now, but I can still see my timetable. Now here you can see all your classes throughout the semester, and once you click on the module you will be able to see all the details like date and time of the lecture. You can also see the directions on how to reach to your lecture hall, and one and the most important thing is attendance, which will also be seen here once the lecture starts. You will get a 6-digit code to register your attendance, and if you scroll down you will find the staff contact details in case you face any problem. Now let's move on to the menu bar where we can see different options. So let's see the year view, and once you click there you will find something like this. All the dates which are highlighted is the term time, and rest of them are holidays, like 18th December to 7th Jan is the Christmas break, and from 25th March to 14th April is the Easter break. And now let's move on to the term dates where you will be able to see all the dates precisely, whether it is welcome week or summer vacations. If you will scroll down you can see everything. And now it's time to see the last part, which is calendar settings. Here you can customize all the things according to you, whether you want to be notified for the event clashes. By event I mean classes. You can also receive notifications for back-to-back events and event reminders, and after scrolling down you can select times for the notifications. So this was all about the application. It is really important and helpful tool for all the students. I hope you liked the video. If yes, please do subscribe to the channel and comment down below what videos should I make in the future. Till that time, take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to